Welcome, YouTube enthusiasts. It's your buddy Mario here again, ready to dish out another potent video that delves into the fascinating world of passive income generation on YouTube. Let's take a moment to visualize a very appealing scenario. The videos you've painstakingly created, uploaded, and optimized on your channel are bringing in a consistent stream of income. Whether you're deep in sleep, unwinding on a tropical beach, or diligently practicing that elusive moonwalk you've had on your bucket list since childhood. Intriguing, wouldn't you agree? Now, I know what you're thinking. Sure, Mario, that sounds great, but how realistic is it really? I'm here to tell you, it's more achievable than you might initially presume. With the right strategies, commitment, and a dash of creativity, turning your YouTube channel into a consistent money-making machine is not only possible, it's downright feasible. And folks, that's what we're going to delve into in today's video. We're going to explore the ins and of this tantalizing prospect, unpacking all the secrets that the most successful YouTubers use to generate passive income. So, ready to get started on this journey? Ready to transform your passion into a profitable venture? So go ahead and smash that like button if you're ready to turn your YouTube channel into a passive income powerhouse. Now, let's address the big question. Is filming a requirement? The answer, my friends, is an astounding no. Filming is simply one tool in the vast toolbox available to content creators. Believe it or not, there's a whole world of engaging content that can be created without ever stepping foot in front of a camera. There are countless, from animations to podcasts, blog posts to interactive quizzes, to attract and captivate your audience. Think about it, not everyone is in front of the camera, and that's perfectly okay. You're not alone. There are even successful YouTubers who rarely, if ever, show their face. They use other creative means to connect with their audience and share their message. Why not leverage the power of written words, or the allure of audio, or the charm of animations? The beauty of the digital world is that it provides a myriad of options to fit every personality and every style. So, don't feel restricted or limited. You're only as restricted your imagination. The key is to find what works best for you, what makes you comfortable, and what excites your audience. As we dive deeper into this topic, we will uncover a multitude of strategies to generate content without the need for filming. We're about to journey into a world full of creativity, imagination, and possibilities. Strategies that not only engage the audience, but can also turn your passion into a viable source of passive income. So, buckle up as we unlock the secret strategies to transform your channel into a passive income goldmine. First strategy, the power of voiceovers. Can you recall the times when you were completely engrossed in a David Attenborough documentary, or perhaps an educational video explaining complex topics? Doesn't the voice behind those videos sound engaging and captivating? There's a unique allure to voiceovers, an unseen influence that draws you in and makes the subject matter come alive. You might have been merely watching a video, but the voiceover artist's skill transformed it into an immersive experience. The power to educate, entertain, and even inspire lies in the eloquent delivery of a well-crafted script. Imagine yourself in that position, becoming a vital part of process. This is not merely about lending your voice. It's about using your unique tone to bring about a certain emotion or reaction, creating a lasting impression on the audience. This is about you becoming the voice that narrates riveting stories and explains intriguing concepts, making them accessible to everyone. By harnessing the power of voiceovers, you're not just creating content, you're crafting experiences. Using a wealth of royalty-free images and videos at your disposal, you're weaving a rich tapestry of narratives that are engaging and memorable. With a powerful voice and the right technique, your voiceover could breathe life into even the most mundane topics, making them fascinating and engaging to the audience. And who knows, maybe you could be the next voiceover superstar following the footsteps of the legendary Morgan Freeman. Building a successful career in voiceovers could provide you with an income stream that even Scrooge McDuck would envy. Second strategy, the art of compilation. Now, this is an ingenious approach for those among you who have a discerning eye for content that's on the cusp of going viral. What does this entail, you might ask? It's quite straightforward, really. You see, the vast expanse of the internet is filled with video content, ranging from the mundane to the outright hilarious, the calming to the nerve-wracking, the fail videos to the triumph ones. Now imagine harnessing that potential, filtering through that deluge of content to identify those that resonate with your target audience. The key here is focus on a specific theme. For instance, consider the ever-popular category of pet fail videos, Or perhaps you're more inclined towards the soothing, almost hypnotic sounds of ASMR cooking videos. The options are endless, limited only imagination and understanding of your audience's preferences. Once you've compiled these videos, it's essential to remember to credit the original creators. Besides being the ethical thing to do, it also fosters a sense of community and encourages further content creation. What's the next step, you ask? The fun part, adding your own unique commentary. This is where you get to inject your personality into the mix, transforming the video from a mere compilation to a reflection of your perspective. The end result? A custom-made playlist that offers a unique viewing experience. And there you have it, an instant passive income playlist. Now a quick reminder, consistency is key. Never forget this vital component. It is an impactful axiom, a guiding rule. It's about persistently providing quality content to your audience. Quality content is not about creating something that's merely good for a one-time watch. It's about crafting videos, articles, or images that speak to your audience, that resonate with them on a personal level. It's about giving them something to look forward to anticipate with excitement. Engaging with your community is another critical rule. Engage implies interaction, communication. It's a two-way street. You're not just a voice in the dark, but a member of a vibrant, thriving community. It's about reading their comments, responding to their queries, and acknowledging their contributions. This creates a sense of belonging among your followers, making them feel valued and appreciated. And then comes the reward, the passive income. It's an income that grows, not overnight, but over time, with every quality content you produce. With every interaction it grows. It's a silent testament to your hard work, dedication, and commitment towards your craft. It's not just about earning, it's about growth, personal, financial, and professional. So folks, remember these 3 golden rules, and you'll see your world change slowly but surely. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow content creators. While these strategies can indeed foster the generation of passive income, bear in mind that the process isn't an instantaneous one. Building a thriving YouTube channel necessitates the investment of a significant amount of time, an unwavering commitment, and a dash of good fortune. So what does it take? Well, first and foremost, you need to have a clear vision. This involves understanding your niche, knowing your target audience, and creating content that resonates with them. Next, remember that quality outweighs quantity. Consistently producing high-quality content will elevate your channel in the YouTube algorithm, leading to more views, more subscribers, and consequently, more income. Also, engagement is paramount. Responding to comments, holding sessions, and interacting with your audience builds a sense of community around your channel, fostering loyalty, which translates into consistent views. Moreover, by diversifying your content, you can reach a wider audience. This involves incorporating different videos like tutorials, vlogs, and reviews into your content strategy. But perhaps the most important element is persistence. The road to YouTube success is often fraught with challenges, but it's those who persist, who keep pushing against the odds, who ultimately find success on this platform. So keep grinding, stay positive, and remember, your YouTube passive income dreams are just a click away. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found the discussion insightful, and that it made you eager to implement some of these strategies yourself. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. I'm sure you have strategies that you're excited about, ones that you think will really make a difference in your YouTube journey. So why not drop a comment below and let me know which strategy you're most excited to try. YouTube is filled with a plethora of wonderful opportunities, and it's interesting to see how everyone has their unique approach towards it. Every content creator has their unique style, and it's amazing how varied the strategies can be. That's what makes YouTube such a vibrant and dynamic platform. Keep in mind, every single day, those YouTube dollars are only a click away. Remember, the key to success on this platform is to produce quality content that your audience loves and stays consistent. Consistency is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. In the world of YouTube, there's always room for growth, for improvement. So, let's keep challenging ourselves, learning, and trying out new strategies. Together, we can turn our channels into passive income empires. With our passion for creating content, our dedication to our audience, and a little bit of strategic planning, let's all turn our channels into passive income empires.